हाँ, अच्छा ये ऑडिबल है या नहीं ये बताना।
Cyber
Yes,
means
I'm audible.
Audible.
computers as well as internet. And safety, that means that we are ensuring we are safe when we are in this virtual world of computers. So let us start. These are the learning outcomes of today. First, we will discuss internet, advantages and disadvantages of internet, computer ethics, unethical practices, cyber crimes, safety measures while using computers and internet, as well as digital footprint. So let us start with the very first topic, that is, what is internet? The internet is an international network of computers which is linked by wires, cables, radio waves, and satellites for the telecom communication. Okay, it connects millions of computers known as hosts, and the computers which serve these hosts are known as servers. The system converts and carries signals between computers and exchange information at a very high speed. So that means all over the world, the computers are connected, and these connections can be wired or wireless based on the location or the distance between the two computers. And this network is known as internet. Now here are some advantages and disadvantages of this internet. First of all, let us talk about the advantages. Communication. See, today in this era, it has become really very easy and fast to reach people. Even if that person is located at somewhere at a very distant place, some 1,000 kilometers away, but instantly that person is visible to you on your mobile phone, laptop, or any other digital device. How is it possible? Because of internet only. You can have your video calls, you can have your now nowadays there are many apps which will help you in calling people virtually. You will be together on this platform. So this is the biggest advantage of internet, that communication. Okay, and rather than this, you can send emails, you can send pictures, audio, video, everything to a person who is sitting at a very far place from your place. Entertainment, without a doubt, internet has become a very important part of our life in terms of entertainment. In this scenario, when we cannot go out, right, even then we are able to entertain ourselves with the help of some famous apps like Hotstar. Okay, so these all are the apps which help us in entertaining and passing the time in a very effective way. Learning sources. These days, education is available 24/7. So anytime, at any day, you can learn, you can see the concepts. Okay, so everywhere it has become really very easy, to reach education, right? Easy sharing. Easy sharing means that suppose I have to share my files with you all, my views with you all. So here also I am sharing my views with all of you students. So that means I am sharing with the help of internet only. So internet has made it really very easy, and it made it possible that we can share our views, our e-contents, everything. Online shopping. How can we forget about online shopping? See, it has given us a wide range of options to choose from. You can sit at your home, you can sit in your comfort zone, and you can order all the utilities of your house, right? Now, in contrast to all the advantages that internet has given us, let us talk about few disadvantages. Okay, so first are the viruses. See, any computer or any device which has attached with computer or internet, so that is prone to get viruses in it. Okay, intentionally, unintentionally, you will get viruses. Okay, whenever you are using internet, there are 100% chances of getting viruses. Leakage of private information. This is a very serious concern of using internet, because when you are using internet, you tend to use it so much that you forget about your privacy, and you tend to share all your details on social media platforms or anywhere. So there are chances that your private information can be leaked. Addiction. See, there are few things that keep on addicting people towards them, and internet is one of them. So even if you think that I'll use my internet for 15 minutes, you will end up using it for 45 minutes at least. So if you don't have control on your senses and you don't know how to regulate your emotions, then definitely you are going to get addicted to the internet. Exposure to adults content. See, there are some contents which are age appropriate. There are some contents which are there for some specific age people. So if you are exposed to those contents before age, that is also a very big concern of internet. So now coming to some computer ethics. Ethics means we have to follow some instructions while using computers as well as internet. First one is, do not use computers to harm other users. The computer was discovered, was made only to help people in making their tasks easier. But if you are using it for the harm of other people, then it is of no use. Do not use computer to steal others' information. Do not access files without the permission of owner. Suppose someone is not giving you right to view their data, then you are not supposed to do that. Do not copy copyrighted softwares without author's permission. That is known as when you are copying someone's data and you are, using it without that person's permission. Okay, and that person has taken its copyright. So you cannot use that. It is a violation of computer ethics. Use internet ethically.
Okay. फाइन. अभी एक काम करेंगे, सब बच्चे मुझे एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ इंटरनेट लिख के दिखाएंगे चैट बॉक्स में, और देखते हैं सबसे यूनिक आंसर किसका होता है, और सबसे ज्यादा एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस कौन लिख सकता है. ओके, यूनिक आंसर, यूनिक इन द सेंस थोड़ा सा अलग. चैट बॉक्स पे लिखेंगे, और सबसे ज्यादा. ओके, एक ही है वो तो. Okay. Safe transaction. Advantage is safe transaction. GPS tracking. Okay. Nitesh, good. Means ऐसे लिखो, advantages. Okay. Disadvantages. Disadvantage. ऐसे. Mapping entertainment, work from home. Good. Internet advantages. Online business. Okay. अरे खाली ऐसा नहीं लिखना है, एडवांटेजेस लिखने और डिसएडवांटेजेस लिखने हैं. प्रशांत, वही का वही कॉपी नहीं करना है. एडवांटेजेस में हमने लिखा है शेयरिंग इनोवेटिव आइडियाज फ्रॉम होम. ओके, गुड. और क्या हो सकता है? डिसएडवांटेज, बैंक अकाउंट सिक्योर्ड. ये एडवांटेजेस से, अच्छा डिसएडवांटेज, सिक्योर्ड कैसे हो सकता है? मतलब हैकिंग भी तो हो सकती है. एमए इंफॉर्मेशन लर्निंग एंड नॉलेज. ओके, अनुमेय का आंसर नहीं है. अच्छा, अनुमेय का बड़ा सारा लिख रही है शायद. ओके, शशांक एक मिनट. शशांक सोनी ने क्या लिखा है? एड्रेस. अच्छा, ये क्या उठा के वहां से कॉपी पेस्ट कर दिए क्या इंटरनेट से? Advantage source of it is the best source of varieties of information, or even students of college and university mainly deeply in its completely. Spamming. Okay, rating. आदित्य रेटिंग व्हाट?
मैम जैसे कि अगर कोई वीडियो रिलीज हो गया हो या फिर कोई मूवी रिलीज हो गया तो फिर हम रेट करते हैं कि IMDb के कि इतनी अच्छी मूवी है, ऐसा ऐसा कुछ
फीडबैक मिल
रहता
सकता
है,
है,
क्योंकि हम लोग वहां पे जाके तो नहीं बोल सकते, तो इसलिए रेटिंग का रहता है।
फीडबैक बोल सकते हैं। बुली हैकिंग, हेल्थ इश्यूज एंड ऑब्सेसिटी। ओके, अच्छा, और अनुमेय का कहा गया है addiction of internet make us to see the solution of the question from the website, increase our thinking ability। हाँ, गुड 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 गुड, सही पकड़ा है। loneliness, privacy exposed by the hacker, right? Banking, bills and shopping, person, information hacking of device, addiction, depression, waste of time। हाँ, डिप्रेस भी हो सकते हैं, ठीक है। आदित्य हैकिंग बोल रहा है, साइबर क्राइम, लक्ष्य। Copyright issue, okay. Confusion to choose correct information. Sometimes, okay. Advantage is it gives knowledge, we can make money, donation, online work. Okay, disadvantage issue, health and work issue, Shashank, addiction. ये 4-5 बच्चों ने ही दिए मुझे, आदित्य, हमें, व्योम, कैथरीन, हाँ आदित्य, और कौन है, बार बार यही बच्चे दे रहे हैं, अर्पिता। Violent images which makes us feel low, okay. Rumors भी हो सकता है, powerful search engine। नितेश, क्या मी क्या तुम एडवांटेज हो या डिसएडवांटेज हो नितेश? स्पैम मनी ट्रांसफर, हैकिंग, ओके, ईमेल्स, ओके। आरुष, अच्छा आरुष का है, sometimes we just put our private password, our details, thinking that we will give us what we want, but they never give, okay. Never been able to disconnect from work, okay, before ना। आरुष का हो गया, ठीक है। चीटर साइड, नो मैम माय नेम, अच्छा, नो मैम माय नेम, हाँ नितेश, नितेश ने दिया आंसर, एक मिनट में चेक कर लेती हूँ। अभिषेक धाकड़ में लीव ही हो गया, ओके, बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो गिव द आंसर, ओके फाइन। ये एडवांटेज है, वे ऑफ वायलेंट एंड हॉरर सीन्स कैन डिस्टर्ब वंस माइंड, ये एडवांटेज हो गया कि डिसएडवांटेज, वे ऑफ ऑनलाइन थ्रेटिंग, ओके गुड, अच्छा। बिटकॉइन इश्यूज, ओके, बिटकॉइन इश्यूज मींस
मैम जैसे कि क्या करते हैं कि कुछ लोग किसी का डेटा वेटा हैक कर लेते हैं, तो फिर वो फिरौती मांगते हैं कि तुम हमको 3 बिटकॉइन से दो, फिर हम लोग तुम्हारे वो डेटा वापस कर देंगे।
हाँ, हैकिंग
और
करके
मैम
किसी,
एक्चुअली और एक बिटकॉइन का जो मैम वो रहता है ना, क्या कहते हैं, वैल्यू, वो मैम बहुत ज्यादा रहता है ये बिटकॉइंस का।
ओके फाइन, चलो। और एथिक्स, अभी अपन एथिक्स के बारे में, एथिक्स पता है सबको, एथिक्स क्या होता है, कंप्यूटर एथिक्स। चलो
सेट
एथिक्स
ऑफ
लिखो,
मॉरल प्रिंसिपल्स।
एथिक्स लिखेंगे, चलो एथिक्स लिखो। Helps to connect with a large number of people sitting in one corner of the world। सही जवाब, गुड। चलो अब एथिक्स, अब एथिक्स लिखते हैं। साइबर एथिक्स के क्या हो सकते हैं, कंप्यूटर एथिक्स के क्या हो सकते हैं? नो साइबर बुलिंग, ओके। एक बार में सब आंसर लिखो, बार बार एक ही बच्चे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट आंसर्स मत लिखो, एक बार में सारे आंसर्स लिखो, ठीक है। वैसे समझ में नहीं आता किस किस आंसर। नो ओनली हेल्पिंग। एक बार में सारा आंसर लिखो, जो भी लिख रहे हैं एक बार में आंसर दो। ठीक है। एंटर करने से पहले कॉमा डाल के पूरा एक साथ ही लिखा करो।
पकड़ लो, पकड़ लो, कैसे पकड़ो से?
ओके। स्पैम कॉल्स के आंसर दे देने चाहिए, ठीक है। Okay, not to do software license, malware hacking on spam website. Do not use computer for a long time. This can lead to the damage of your. Be respectful and careful while chatting on social platforms. Do not spread data which are not conforming to avoiding using pirated software, etc. Good. Then dark web. Okay. Good. Do not touch the links which is sometimes sent to us in the mail. ओके। और भी कोई लिख रहा है? ऑलवेज डिलीट स्पैम लिंक और मेल, ठीक है। But how can we touch the link? Touch the link means क्लिक नहीं करें उस लिंक को।
मैम ओपन एक तरह से ओपन लिंक को ओपन ना करें।
हाँ, क्लिक ना करें, ओपन ना करें उस लिंक को। ये स्पैम लिंक है तो स्पैम हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि लाइक जैसे कोई काम का मेल नहीं है?
मैम एक्चुअली जैसे कि कोई एक वो हैकर होगा, वो कहेगा कि आपने एक कॉन्टेस्ट में हिस्सा लिया था और आप जीत गए हैं 2 लाख 2 करोड़ ऐसे ऐसे, तो फिर आप अपने कार्ड के ओटीपी पिन ओटीपी सीवीवी ऐसे ऐसे दे दीजिए आप।
हाँ, ये सब
कुछ नहीं
दे दीजिए। हाँ, मतलब अपना डेटा जो होता है, कभी भी हम जैसे मॉल्स में भी जाते हैं, कभी हमसे वो फीडबैक फॉर्म भरवाते हैं, तो हमारा वो डेटा क्या होता है, वो डेटा हमारा ऐसे फ्लोटिंग होता रहता है, कभी कहीं जा रहा है कभी कहीं जा रहा है, स्टूडेंट्स का डेटा है, ठीक है। जैसे सपोज अब 10th में आओगे, स्टूडेंट्स का डेटा है, तो वो कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूशन वाले वो डेटा खरीद लेते हैं। तो अपना ये डेटा थोड़ा सा सोच समझ के हमको देना चाहिए। डोंट गिव योर ईमेल और पासवर्ड टू एनीवन। हाँ भाई बिल्कुल सार्थक, वो तो देना ही नहीं होता ईमेल एंड पासवर्ड टू एनीवन। और कोशिश करना चाहिए जैसे व्हाट्सएप किसी को ईमेल पासवर्ड ना करें। यदि हमने किसी के साथ शेयर भी किया है, सपोज हमें कुछ इमरजेंसी को शेयर करना है, तो हम फौरन उसका पासवर्ड चेंज कर लें, ठीक है। और ईमेल एंड पासवर्ड कुछ बच्चों की आदत होती है किसी कॉपी में पीछे लिखने की, या भूल जाते हैं कुछ लोग, तो वो भी नहीं करना चाहिए, ठीक है। never believe on anyone giving you information that you have won any lottery. Okay. So do not others computers without permission. Do not use अच्छा. Do not share your personal information. Do not open mails and trust when enterprise and hacking. The spam is not only the call comes from a hacker. When some big companies make us call, it is known as a spam. Okay. राइट, ओके फाइन। और कोई आंसर देना चाहता है? हैंड रेज कर लिए यदि कोई और आंसर लिखना चाहता है तो। डू नॉट सेंड फेक, अच्छा एक व्योम को लिखना चाह रहा है। डू नॉट सेंड, क्या लिखा है इसने? डू नॉट सेंड फेक वीडियोस। हाँ नहीं कहने, नहीं भेज देंगे किसी को फेक वीडियो। फेक वीडियोस और फेक न्यूज शेयर नहीं करनी चाहिए, यूट्यूब से रहता है। केस ऑफ साइबर बुलिंग एंड एडल्ट साइबर अब्यूजेस यू कैन कंप्लेन ऑन दिस वेबसाइट। ओके फाइन, सब लोग सुन लो। साइबर बुलिंग कोई कर रहा है, साइबर अब्यूजेस कुछ कर रहा है, तो इस वेबसाइट में कंप्लेन कर सकते हो। गुड, ठीक है। चलो अभी वीडियोस को कंटिन्यू करते हैं।
That means you should use internet in a very ethical way. Do not use others users' computer resources without their permission. Suppose you have asked me, ma'am, can I use your computer for an email? All right. But suppose if you are getting into my drives and you are looking into my documents, my pictures and my videos, then that is a very bad thing. So these are few ethics which you should follow while using computers as well as internet. Now coming to the unethical practices. Unethical practices means, although I have told you that you have to use the computers in a perfect way, in an ethical way, right? But still there are some people who tend to do these unethical practices. They are, first of all, plagiarism. I'll discuss each of them in the coming slides. Plagiarism. See, suppose I ask you, beta, you have to submit an International Women's Day poem to me. Okay, then what you will do is you will open Google, you will type something, you will get a new poem, and then you will write it and you will give it to me saying that, ma'am, I have written this, please can I read this in the assembly? So this is a very bad thing. In the pictures also you can see there is a person who is popping down from the internet, and a novel by, the name was Phil, but he has cut it, and then he is saying Gary. So that means this is something, a very serious crime. When you are saying your name instead of saying other person's name on his creation, okay, then this is known as plagiarism. Okay. Next is cyberbullying. Beta, you might have heard this word bully in your environment, in your surroundings, right? But what is cyberbullying? When you are harassing a people, when you are harassing a person using cyber, that means using computers or internet, that is known as cyberbullying. As you can see in the pictures, there are two boys in the computer who are making fun of a person online. So that is a very bad thing, and this is known as cyberbullying. This is also an unethical practice. Phishing. Phishing means, suppose I want you to give me your details of your credit card, your OTPs, your your credit card details, your user ID, password, and everything. then what I'll do is I'll pretend that I am a very good person to you and you can trust me and you can share your details from me. You might have received some fake calls, mails, text messages from unknown persons claiming that they are the bank manager of so and so bank and they want their details. So these all are the phishing calls, phishing mails, phishing text messages. Their intention is to steal your data and they pretend to be a very honest person in front of you. So you have to recognize these persons and you should not share your details over telephone, over the internet, anywhere. Next is your hackers and crackers. So hacking has become a very familiar term for all of us. But we forget that there is a difference between hacker and a cracker. What is it? Any skilled computer expert that uses their technical knowledge to overcome any problem related to the security of a organization or anything, that person is a hacker. Okay, when hackers are government is paying for these hackers, right? They does not damage the data intentionally. The objective of a hacker is to use his technical knowledge to solve a problem. On the other hand, a cracker is a person who breaks into someone else's computer or network illegally. The intention of that cracker is to steal the data, to damage the data, and the objective of a cracker is to intentionally breach computers' security. So basically, hackers are the persons who have technical knowledge and they can help people. Okay, but crackers are the ones who are not very expert with the knowledge, but as a hobby or due to their negative mindset, they get into the systems and they do the damage. Now coming to the spamming. You might have seen spam folder in your email also. Okay, so spamming is the use of electronic messaging systems to send bulk messages that are known as spam.
Okay, किसी को डाउट? एनी डाउट? इजी था, उसमें कुछ भी नहीं था. 2-4 स्पैमिंग और 2-4 कंसेप्ट्स और बचे. ठीक है, एनी डाउट? अच्छा, डाउट नहीं है तो चैट बॉक्स पे एनडी लिख दो सब लोग. नो डाउट. ओके देन चलो ठीक है. साईराम, रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ करूं. अटेंडेंस ले, 1 मिनट अटेंडेंस